What does our insurance company care about this for?
So on Tuesday, then I get an email from our new insurance provider, and he's like, there's kind of some problems with your property. Friday night. The kids were outside playing in the mud, and all of a sudden we hear "Mom!" and Gage, our four-year-old, yeah, he's 4, he totally was trying to walk across the puddle and just face planted in the mud, and I so wish that we had it videoed. But so he was
disgusted with himself. He didn't think, oh, this is awesome. He was like, "Bah!" He
hates being dirty or messy, and of course he didn't have his mud boots on like he was supposed to. And
we told them, hey, you guys want to go play in mud? Mud boots.
But it was kind of worth it just because it was so funny. But we got them cleaned up. We had some frozen pizza for supper, and now they're watching a show, and we're gonna do the chicken chores. But we had some unexpected news this week from our insurance company, which is kind of funny.
Yeah, it's funny.
All right, well, we got an email from our insurance company. Well, I guess we got to back up.
Yeah, let's back up. So we have insurance on our property, right?
Good.
Dawn thinks, which is great.
Yeah.
Let's shop around and get cheaper rates. Yep. The problem with that is then they came out and they took pictures of our property.
So on Tuesday, then I get an email from our new insurance provider, and he's like, there's kind of some problems with your property.
What do you mean?
We need you to address the broken windows, the missing siding, the doorway covered with plywood, just making our place sound like really trashy. The building that's falling down. And so I wasn't expecting that at all.
We didn't ask you to insure the building that I'm tearing down.
No, to clarify, that is true. We're not trying. We're not trying to like scam anybody here or get by with anything.
So basically, they gave me 2 weeks to finish my siding, replace a couple windows that broke, finish all the tin and the windows on the shed that we're doing. I don't have to take that whole building down.
No, I think I'll just clarify that we're not trying to insure that. So
what are you guys doing? You got any spare time to come help?
Well, the good thing is, like we said last week, we don't have any friends, so we weren't planning on spending the weekend with friends. So, no, at first when you get an email like that, you're like, hey, now wait a second. You're not acknowledging all the projects we have done, like the new roof.
Did they notice that there were no power lines ahead? I buried those.
You know, we rebuilt the driveway. Tom's put in a ton of new windows.
Did they notice the concrete? It's stamped 2018 because we just did it last year.
But then I was like, the only good part is like 2 weeks from now, like the siding's gonna be
okay, so here's the thing. She's not going to be doing any of this work.
I know, I wish I could.
Of course it's a good thing for her.
I wish I could do the work because I would. So
she actually really would.
I would. I love doing projects. These are a little bit outside of my skill
There's a
set.
lot of bugs out here right now.
So yeah, so we have some projects that we need.
Let's show you quick.
Yeah.
All right, so this ended up happening because I put new windows in the house, and then I put a layer of insulation around the outside because this side gets beat on with wind pretty hard. And then I stopped because I had 15 other projects.
The nice thing is our house is so far off the road, nobody can tell.
Nobody from the road knows.
That's why, and then these other things we're gonna show you, if you could see these things from the road, we'd be like, they would be done already. But
sorry.
All right, so garage window, that was on the list.
What does our insurance company care about this for? So what happened here, this is just sitting here so that birds don't get into this building.
This is the back of our garage.
The back of our garage. What happened here was we had chickens in here last year and they were really starting to stink it up.
We're sounding even more redneck now.
So we had chickens in here in a pen, in a brooder box thing, right? When they were little. But they were really starting to stink it up in the garage because we had a lot of them in there. So I thought, hey, let's open a window, let some air through here. And it broke the glass when I pulled it from the inside because it like twisted and shattered. So that was that. All right, so this is a window on our shed. And I think this just broke from a storm or something. So I just stuck a piece of plywood over it because isn't that what people do in the country? I actually have new window pane for it. I just haven't put it in yet because I thought, well, it's probably gonna break again. So we have that one. That one's quick and easy.
Yeah.
All right, so this next one's kind of a big one. This next one, my father-in-law didn't appreciate me doing because he's a nostalgic farmer, which I can appreciate. But this building had no use to me. And if something has no use to us, we get rid of it.
Yeah, right.
Pretty much. It's
kind of our MO.
Pretty much what's true here. So here's the building. It was not in this condition. It was like mint condition.
Well, mint for
okay, mint for what it is.
70-year-old structure.
We've had people come over and be like, "Oh wow, it looks like you guys got some storm damage."
Yeah, nope, that was Tom.
That was me. So that's gonna take a little bit of time to make go away.
But to clarify, we're not trying to insure that building.
We want no insurance on that building. Nothing. We want a nice flat piece of property right there. We want nothing there. Now what number are we up to? 17?
Yeah, something like that.
Anyway, another issue that the insurance company had was when they came, this was sheeted plywood over before we took the boat out. So they said that
you can't have plywood as a garage door.
It wasn't. So this will finish that. That's easy. This is like I'm game with making stuff nice and new. Like, awesome. We'll do that.
Yeah. But our garden looks awesome. And we moved our baby chicks outside this week to the chicken tractor.
Justin Rhodes makes this look very easy. I think he has his kids do it in some of them. Just grab it and drag it.
Well, what's the problem with ours though?
I have no wheels on it.
Turns out wheels are not overrated with a chicken tractor. We do have to move it every day though, otherwise the grass is toast underneath. So these guys are 4 weeks old now. We'll have them about another 5 weeks.
I'm all about starting projects. It's that last 20%.
Yeah,
that's the kicker.
True story. But I will say this, I am not gonna apologize for shopping around for property insurance because we saved like $600, so, and more with our auto. So that's significant.
I was gonna say that's only $50 a month though.
Only? That's
yeah, you don't have to do any of the work. Anyway,
so that's what we're gonna be up to this weekend. We'd love to know, leave a comment below, tell us what you're up to. If you get to do something fun this weekend or if you have projects that you're trying to finish up. So I guess the other bummer is it's supposed to be like in the 90s and 800% humidity here.
So here's how this will go. I will be siding over here and Dawn will be waving at me out of that window, which is her office.
I'll give you like ice water too.
Through the window?
Yeah, sure, just knock. No.
Appreciate it.
Hey, anything, yeah. But we hope you have a great weekend. A thumbs up is always appreciated. We hope you subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll look forward to visiting with you again really soon.
Okay, so I said that I'm a car guy. I just realized right now. Yes, that's two Priuses. I apologize. I'm sorry. We'll just end this now. I apologize.